Hi, welcome to Dietitians Dish, cooking tips for college students. Today we'll be talking about food safety techniques. When prepping and cooking food, it is very important to make sure that you are following food safety guidelines to ensure that you are eating and serving safe food. The USDA gives a good overview of general food safety techniques, and if you have any questions after this video, their website is a great resource. First off, let's talk about storing foods, particularly perishable foods. Perishable foods are anything that does not have a very long shelf life. So think fruits and vegetables, meat, foods that aren't highly processed and packaged. These foods should be refrigerated within 2 hours of cooking. Any fresh meat, poultry, or fish that you buy at the store should be cooked within 2 to 3 days of purchasing. If you don't cook it, the meat can be frozen. When freezing, it is recommended to wrap the package in plastic wrap before placing it in the freezer. You can thaw frozen foods either in the refrigerator by running them under cold water or by placing them in the microwave. If thawing in the refrigerator, make sure that juice from meat or poultry does not drip onto other foods in the fridge. This can be done by wrapping the food in plastic wrap and placing it on the bottom shelf. When thawing with cold water or by using the microwave, make sure the food is cooked immediately after it has been thawed. Storing canned foods is a little bit different. Canned foods are safe to eat until the day on its packaging, but check that the cans are not abnormally shaped, dented, or rusted. Next, we will talk about actual food preparation. Most importantly, wash your hands. Wash your hands both before and after handling any food. Wash them with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds, and if you ever forget whether you washed your hands, wash them again. This avoids cross-contamination when cutting meat and is overall a pertinent safety practice. Additionally, keep separate cutting boards for meat and produce. Color coding your cutting boards is an easy way to make sure that you keep them separate. The temperature of your food is important for serving and eating. Hot food should be 140 degrees or hotter, and cold food should be 40 degrees or colder. This ensures that there are no harmful bacteria living in or on your food. If you have leftovers from anything you cook, allow hot food to cool by placing it in the refrigerator within 2 hours. Any food that is left out for longer than 2 hours should be thrown away. Food that is reheated after storing needs to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees, and these leftovers should be eaten within 4 days of their original cooking. Check out the USDA website for more food safety information.